Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and firmware so you don't chase phantom problems. Physically check SATA, power, and M. 2 seating, reseat the drive if needed. Then enter BIOS or UEFI and make sure the system detects the disk. If it doesn't, stop and address cables or adapters. Once the drive appears, set the correct boot mode. UEFI for modern installs, legacy only if required, and prioritize the boot drive ahead of USB or network boot options. Next, repair the bootloader and partition metadata. This is where most fixes succeed. Boot from recovery media, Windows install USB or a Linux live USB, then run automated repairs or manual commands. In Windows, use bootrec and bcd boot. In Linux, mount the drive, reinstall grub or update grub, and use fbootnger for UEFI entries. Also ensure the EFI system partition is FAT32 and has the correct boot or ESP. Finally, decide between deeper recovery and reinstall. If repair steps fail, image or backup your data now and perform a clean OS reinstall. This removes corrupt boot files and registry issues. Before reinstalling, run smart tests and chkdsk or fsck to rule out failing media. Replace the drive if it reports errors. If problems persist, capture exact error messages, boot logs, and firmware settings. These details guide targeted fixes, so make sure to note them before seeking advanced help or RMA options.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.